fast talk tayo.
Uy, ayusin yung tanong yun.
So, imagine nyo lang kayo. Live audience or tape episode. TV productions or government service. Lights on or lights off. I am Jorella Maria Soto Antonio.
A child of God, the follower of Jesus.
Wow, praise the Lord. Okay. Bang mission ng MTRCB?
Actually, mahalaga yung mission ng MTRCB. We are really here to ensure that every Filipino family member would have a safe and comfortable viewing experience.
Ang ahensya namin, yung Movie Television Review and Classification Board, ang aming talagang key person na inaalagaan namin, yung mga bata. That's why we take care of the ratings and classification ng mga pelikula para age appropriate.
Ngayon, you can watch anything, anytime, anywhere, di ba?
Yeah.
Eh, yung content, sumabog na siya. Kahit sino pwedeng napapanood. Meron akong anak ng classmate ko. Yun nga, hindi nakagandahan yung pinapanood na influencer kasi medyo sexual yung dating. Yung isa naman, yung humor niya, hindi safe for kids to emulate or to follow. Iba-iba, but we don't handle that. Kaya mahalaga talaga yung guidance ng mga parents.
Well, yung trabaho ng MTRCB extends not only to parents but also to the family members who are left at home. Kung walang parents, the older sister, si kuya, si ate, to supervise also what the younger siblings are watching.
We are also here to ensure that every Filipino child is protected from any content that may be bothersome or may cause disturbance to their minds. Napakaganda naman ito. Thank you so much. Ang ganda-ganda. Wow. And my favorite color is blue.